Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the new text effects feature on your iPhone with iOS 18. This update introduces a fun way to make your iMessage conversations more engaging by adding effects like shaking, jittering, rippling, and more to your messages. To use text effects, start by opening a chat in iMessage. Once you're in the conversation, type the message you want to send. You can choose to apply the effect to a single word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph. For this example, I'll type out my message. Now, if I want to add an effect to this sentence, I need to make a selection. Just tap and hold on the text, then drag to highlight the part of the message you want to apply the effect to. Once the text is selected, you'll see some options appear. Since we're on iOS 18, you'll now see the text effect option. Tap on that. A menu will pop up showing you different effects you can apply. You can preview how each effect looks before sending it. I'm going to choose the shake effect for my message. Once I've selected it, I'll hit send. As you can see, my text now has a shaking animation, and the person on the other end of the conversation will see the effect as well. That's how easy it is to use the new text effects in iMessage on iOS 18. Just make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version and you can start adding effects to your messages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.